there's a great deal of talk in the marketplace, in the marketing marketplace, about this enormous channel proliferation that we have seen and fragmentation that we've seen, particularly over the last 10 years. Because actually, if we think back to the last recession, back in the 2007, 8, 9 period, even since then, there's been a massive expansion in available promotional channels for organizations. And so tell us a little bit about the experience and how to cope with that. And just sort of thinking about the people that you're dealing with and how they need to be enabled to manage that in massive fragmentation.
I call it the roaring 20s. I have this great slide where I kind of showed the beginning of my career again, where we had a couple channels that we had, and we struggled with that, right? And then we had the digital, and then we have all the in-store activation and promotion that was going on. Now we have retail media and every other kind of digital channel that's emerging across the continuum. And the fact of the matter is you can't make human decisions with that many decisions that need to be made now on a shorter time frame as well, right? So we're not buying upfronts. We're actually optimizing as we go. And it's impossible to do without the right data that's organized in the right way and a system technology that can help to analyze it quickly and guide a decision. And that's what we're seeing and advising our clients. And we're starting to see it take hold in the marketplace. I had a Fortune 500 CMO mentioned to me a couple of weeks ago that she wanted 80% of her decisions being automated on her team over the next 5 years, right? So we're starting to see, how do we start to leverage ad tech, martech in a way that's constantly it creates this ecosystem and creates this feedback loop where data is being fed in. There's automated decisions driven by machine learning that feeds into execution, and then you can constantly learn from it. So I say the marketers can then focus on the fun stuff that we all like to do as marketers. So creative development, positioning, and strategy versus the analytics and the math. We can leave that up to the computer.